spontaneous barbecue night on Friday. And last gathered before sending Josh off to Los Angeles. And we're here doing some. Oh, this is a new grill pad we got from Black Friday. This first time opening up.
It's actually a pancake roast. Oh yeah.
We're using it as Korean barbecue. And we got some mapo tofu for Josh. Real protein. Josh just complaining that the food there in the hospital is veggie, not real vegetarian food. But now tofu, source of protein there. Let's eat. So good.
I don't have too much meat, so if you guys want to do something else.
Alright, we're playing Jackbox 6. It's a weird collection of games. I don't really understand yet.
Why can't these roles just live in harmony?
How come I never picked the right one? Look at our face on the screen. My child's honor student.
Oh dang it!
Stina! Yeah. Oh, what? 99%?
Yeah!
Josh, know too much about friends.
Yes.
I thought Jason's child would get honors. Well,
I wouldn't put that on my bumper sticker.
He wouldn't.
I put 99% for myself. Oh, come on, what? You're like too mature.
What will be the final boss you had to defeat?
Okay.
Answer the prompt on your devices, and we'll settle this once and for all.
Once the video game, what would the final boss be? We're both mature. That's our personality. Huh? Why are you laughing? Are you laughing? It says mature right there, man.
I don't know.
We're doing this human subject testing about genetic. Answer, man. 18 seconds. Very sporadic game.
That's what they came up with.
Wait, what? Final
What are
boss?
your devices now?
I don't understand.
I don't know.
Very pretty cheap sweetheart.
And our lab rat of the month with the
Oh,
most
Josh.
science pellets is...
Josh. Not very old-fashioned, aromatic zombie winner. That's you, Josh. Very random adjective. Have you ever felt Jason look like Penny Lee?
Okay, that's the only good one yet.
I got people laughing there. My hometown is the storeroom because everyone is sleeping around. I think Kenny Lee pretty good.
Oh my god. You're right.
You ever notice how this? Perform the joke for me. No. Really? Yes. Why are they coupling?
That was funny.
Ketamine. I like my range. Okay. Is that a default? Oh, you wrote that?